Let's see what the flash code is. Can't because I fucking painted it. Not sure what I got here. Orange and blue. And two blues. One orange. Gas valve. Oh, I think that's a brown. Okay. So blue goes to number 9, brown to 10. So it'll be these two down here. So check out the board. Bad board. Yep. Wiggle the plug and it goes right out. This is a Goodman. Don't think carrier. Spark igniter. Goodman. Defrost control board. Train. This is the board. So I keep so many Goodman parts for my truck. Especially boards and pressure switches. So it's a good change. Alright, let's see what we got here. Yellow, blue, white, red, green. Orange is common. Okay. Orange is common. heat. And put a little bit on high. Arc, line, transformer. Yes. Don't need you. Don't need you. Don't need you. Don't need you. Hello? Hey.
Just curious what you find at Davis's.
Was that the one in South Charleston?
Yeah.
Absolutely nothing.
Was it working?
Yeah. It was working great. I went ahead and did a maintenance on it since I was there, but there was nothing wrong with it. He said he changed the breaker that he thought was for it. So unless there was something wrong with the breaker, I don't know, but everything when I was there was working fine.
I'll call Mark and
That's who I talked to. That's who said he changed the breaker.
Mark's going to change the breaker.
Yeah.
What about the money Canal City? Is that where you're at?
That's where I'm at. It was the board. It was bad. I'm changing the board. Working on it. I'm putting the board on right now.
All right. I'm going to get up on it right now for that job back.
Alrighty. Well, Cammy's sent me about 3 more since I left the shop. So Cammy sent me about 3 more since I left the shop.
I figured it'd probably get busy today.
Yep.
So don't worry about the service. That service stuff just has to come when we get a chance.
Yeah, I wasn't really worried about it at this point.
Yep. At this point. Okay, well, if you need some help, Nate will be available afternoon. So see, in Cleveland at noon. So you can have Nate or either in either one. But Nate will be available if you want him.
See what I get into.
Okay.
Alrighty.
All right.
Bye. Alright. 6 minutes exactly. So, Let's see if I was right. Hopefully I was right. Flame sensor probably needs clean too. Can you check the flame sensor on this? I don't see a spot. Awesome. So just to make sense of it, the reason it lit when I pushed my leads into that plug is because these little pins are getting loose. So it made a tight connection. But then when I took my leads out and wiggled it, it went out. So pretty easy diagnosis. Goodman's running. Okay, so the nest isn't working. It's not even wired up right. I got white unhooked and brown wired up. It's just okay, blown fuse. Immediate short. Okay. Which one of these goes outside? Okay. Still got a short. Our short has to be in here somewhere. Hook red and still short it out just to be sure. Still shorted. Still shorted. These go outside. Still shorted. Still shorted. Almost has to be this fan relay board. Let's start with green. Green unhooked. Still shorted.
Brandon,
Yes.
if you need to get to the outside unit, it might be easier for you to go through the back door.
Okay.
There's less dog poop that way.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we have 2 reds, one's to the transformer, one's to the board. We want the one to the board. Still shorted. Okay. That hook back up. Next, unhook our heaters. Okay, no short. So we need to check our contactors. Going to the heater kit. Got our 24 volts unhooked from that. Power's off. Probably gonna need 2 hands. We'll just see. Put one there. Ohms. Go ahead and hook this one back up. Alright, got the other one unhooked. Hmm. 11 ohms. So where else did our 24 volts go? PFC motor, so it's not that. Okay, well, let's do this. I'll leave this one unhooked. Plug this back in. Which one does it go to first? It goes to that one first. So actually, well, it doesn't matter. We'll try this one. Okay. Take those away. Okay. Still got it. To go to the diagram. I've got everything unhooked up here but red and blue. I've unhooked both of the heaters. So I'll just see where else our 24 volts goes to. I've literally unhooked everything. So it is something in here. So it goes off if I unplug this. The only thing is the transformer. So might try a new transformer. I'll pop this board off and look at it too. Hey, I found the culprit. There's a burn mark right there. Right down there. Which goes to our Commodore transformer. Let's grab a board. And yet again, this is why I keep so many Goodman parts on the truck. 'Cause I am out in the middle of nowhere. Yeah. Goodman blower control. Changing our board. It's a transformer. That's our R going out. Got a little toasty right there. extra blower speeds. Which honestly, this is a 5-ton unit. I guarantee we should be running a higher blower speed. Guarantee it. Purple there, there's power. Let's switch this around here. Let's go with man, it's a 20 kW though. Yeah, it's a 20 kW heater. Yeah, we're going with high. Alright, now we're gonna yank this out for right now. And hook this back up. And pray to God that we're good. Come on now. There we go. Alright, everything's hooked up here. Everything's hooked up there. And voila. That was the problem. So now I'm going to put a thermostat back on the wall. Last meal charged. Just checking everything out. Best $20 ever. Alright, so whatever happened there ended up frying the base to their Nest thermostat too, so I got that changed and everything seems to be working fine. They had to have had some kind of power surge or something, I don't know. Fried that board and the base to the Nest. Actually the whole Nest thermostat, because we tried the new base with the old thermostat and it didn't work. The new base with the new thermostat did fine, so it's definitely an interesting call. But I think the reason it kept lighting up until I unplugged the plug to the heater kit was because I had that common hooked up still and on that board. And I think that was the whole problem. So now I know next time to pull a common, and we should be good.